subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video. Guys, I want to say happy Easter to each and every one who celebrate Easter. Happy Easter to the Caribbean country them who celebrate Easter. So right now it's done with me piece of bun and cheese and hit me a rough one in the morning. My Easter. So in a clear video I'm doing a fish soup. So I'm going to use the head of the fish to make the soup. I'm going to cook the fish with the pumpkin together just to add the flavor to the water after the fish cook. I'm going to take it out, add in the rest of the food, and then break up the fish and put it back into the soup. So today the way how the time windy, I have to use some zinc to block around the fire outside because I know it's an outdoor cooking channel. So no matter what, even when the breeze are blowing, we still have to do the content outside. So just use the zinc and just block around to keep the fire one place. So guys, here's the pumpkin that I'm gonna use. So I'm just finished cutting them up and have them in some clean water with some garlic. So these are the fish head that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna add the pumpkin and the fish head in the water together just for the fish to cook and add flavor to the pot. So after the fish cook, I'm gonna remove it, break it up in small pieces. So I'm gonna use some green banana, okra, carrot, sweet potato, chocho, Irish potato, and some yellow yam. But I boil up as you guys can see. So I'm going to add in the pumpkin in the pot. And then next thing I'm going to add the fish as I just explained. So guys, as you can see, I have to back up the fire because I'm outdoor and the breeze really blow hard. So I have to draw for plan B. Plan B, the breeze are blow, so I have to back up. Now I'm going to add in the fish. To go and cook. Guys, now I am going to take out the fish. But it's so hot. I'm going to add some yellow yam, some chocho inside it. Guys, now I am going to add in some carrots, some Irish potato, and some sweet potato inside the soup. So these are just some of the stuff that I put in my soup. Some person love to use green breadfruit, but I don't like green breadfruit, so I'm not going to put it in the soup. So if I don't like the thing, I'm not going to put it in because I'm not going to eat it. These are just some of what I'm putting in the soup. So now I am going to put in some small dumplings. some banana in the soup. So I'm gonna use some in the skin and some out of the skin. I peel some of them and some is not peeled. So it is my preferred choice. You can peel all of them and I could cut them up even in the skin as same and use them. So guys, this is a new way of to back up the fire when time the breeze are blow. You know it's an outdoor cooking, so you have to find ways to make it work. I am adding in the banana now. As I said before, it is my choice of using some peel and some not peel. Some person peel everything, some person use everything in the skin. So I'm gonna add some pimento seed, not too much, because I don't want the pimento seed to too strong, like the pimento seed overpower the soup. So I'm just adding a little bit of pimento seed. So now I am going to season up the pot. I am going to add some all-purpose seasoning in the soup. So I am using some scallion, some fresh thyme, and adding some okra. So I'm putting the okra last because I don't want the okra to overcook. It's very important to wash your fruits and vegetables after purchasing them. So now I am going to use some fish tea flavored soup mix. I'm using 2 cups into the soup. So I am going to stir it because I don't want it to hitch into the bottom. And the soup is looking good, guys. You could see the color, and that color that the soup is producing, it is from the pumpkin. So I am washing a green pepper, adding to the pot. Just to add flavor. Now I am going to add in the fish. So basically let me pick up the fish, take out the excess amount of bone. So now I'm adding in back. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So guys, I am checking on the fish tea soup. Everything alright. So the soup done. So as I ensure say nothing really hitching at the bottom. Everything good. Soup done. Come on guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you for sharing the videos. And guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you for being a part of the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog family. I really appreciate the love and the comments. And big up to all the dear ones, subscribers who that push the content them. I really appreciate the love as well. So guys, we come to the end of the video, and this is my fish head soup. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up as well.